Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to create a new Facebook pages for your own business or your Facebook. Okay, first of all, you need to click a menu called pages. After that, you need to click a button called create new page. So, as you can see, page name and category was required you to key in before you create a new page. So I will do it step by step. Firstly, the page name is basically your business name or your organization name. So for example, I want to do a computer repairing in Malaysia, so I will key in King Computer Malaysia. Okay, this is just example, so you need to think wisely before you key in the name. Okay, secondly is the category. So you are required to key in maximum 3 categories in this field. So the category must be related to your industry as well. So my industry is to repair the computer, so I just search computer repairing. So repairing service, okay. Computer shop, yeah, and computer company as well. So at the last part, description, you need to add in the description in order to let your customer to find you in Facebook easily. So if possible, please add in as much as the keyword as you can. For example, I write cheap computer service in Malaysia. So you need to add in all keywords like RAM problem, memory problem, was not a problem for us. So this is just example. You can key in your own description by your own, but think wisely as well. So after you've done these 3 fields, just click create pages. Okay, it may take time to load. So after you create the page, it may require you to put in the images and also the cover photo. So you can put in yourself, or you don't want put also can. It's better to put up. So you just click save. Then it will lead you to the page. Then your page was created successfully. So that's all for today. I hope to meet you guys at the next lesson. Thank you.